Hello lovelies, welcome back. Come, let's make this onion bell peppers puff puff. I add 2.5 cup of my flour and I will sieve. Once I am done sieving, I will add 3 level spoons of sugar. I will add 1/4 of salt and I added 1 spoon of yeast. I will give it a good mix for 2 seconds. Now I'll be adding my milk bit by bit and my water bit by bit. I will stir and mix together. I will be repeating the process until the water and the milk is finished. Now I'm going to be adding the main ingredient, onion and bell peppers. Guys, have you ever tried your onions and bell peppers puff puff? When you try it, you will not eat the regular puff puff again. Try it and you will enjoy it. So I added the remaining of the milk and water. I'll give it a good mix and I'll cover it and allow it to double in size. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel and be a member of the family. Turn on your post notifications so that anytime we upload, you'll be notified. Feel free to check other of our videos out that you might find helpful. Help me to share this video, guys. My returnees, I really appreciate your love and support. So make sure you are cooking it on a medium heat. Put in a sieve. Enjoy. Bye.